Welcome to the Peralta Colleges. In this video, I'll walk you through making a payment. Start by going to the Campus Solutions homepage. To get to Campus Solutions, go to sa.peralta.edu. This will bring up the Peralta Campus Solutions login page. Sign in by entering your user ID, then enter your password. Next, click Sign In at the bottom of the screen. The main Campus Solutions page for students will open up. To make a payment, find Financial Account and click on it. Your account balance page will open. Next, find the Make a Payment tab located on the left-hand side of the window and click on it. The first step is to choose your payment method. Select credit card or electronic check depending on your payment method. Credit card is the most common, so we'll choose that by clicking onto it. After selecting your payment method, locate the Confirm button on the upper right-hand side of the window and click on it. The Specify Payment Amount page will open. This page allows you the flexibility to break the total into smaller amounts or to pay everything in full. Make changes here if you need to. When you're finished, find and click the Confirm button located in the upper right-hand corner of the window. The next page is a confirmation for you to review the amount and inform you that you'll be safely redirected so you can complete your payment. Once you've confirmed the amount is correct, click on the Confirm button on the upper right-hand side. The Aci Payment Portal will open. Here is where you will enter your credit card or electronic check information. Once you've entered everything, click the Continue arrow located on the lower right-hand side of the window. This next page is for you to review if the payment method and amount are correct. Click Accept Terms on the lower right-hand side of the window if everything is correct. Next, the account information page will appear. Enter the account information on this page. Once you've entered all of the account information, just click Continue, located on the lower right-hand side of the window. The Review and Submit page will open. Make sure your card number or electronic check information, the amount, and your account information are all correct, then click Continue, located on the lower right-hand side. A window informing you that your payment is being processed will appear briefly as you are redirected back to Campus Solutions. The Submit Payment page will open, showing you a summary of the amount and payment method. If everything is correct, click Submit, located in the upper right-hand corner of the window. The Payment Result page will open next, informing you that your payment has been successfully accepted and you're all done. If you need help or have any questions, just send an email to helpdesk@cc.peralta.edu.